With this tool, you can quickly transform any picture or text into a work of art. The user interface I'm using for Stable Diffusion is NMKD. It's available for free, but you can also donate or join the Patreon. Extract the files using 7-zip and run the exe file. The installer window will pop up, so just click the install button. Type in a prompt and click generate. Images are generated locally on your computer. You can enter multiple prompts by starting a new line. 5 images will be generated for each prompt. To get ideas for good prompts to use, there is a website called Lexica which contains searchable images. Most prompts will include names of artists to follow their style. I'll copy this prompt into the Stable Diffusion UI. I'll customize this prompt and generate 50 images. I'll copy the seed value for one of the images and paste it into the UI to lock in the style. The detail slider determines how much detail will be in the output image. The guidance slider determines how much the AI will try to follow the prompt. For more than anime look, I can change to a model that's been fine-tuned on anime art. For this, download the Waifu Diffusion Model Weights file. In the setting, open the Models folder and paste the new model file. Close and open the settings again and select the new model. This is an image generated using the Waifu model. To make the images look like my avatar, I've taken a photo from VRChat and set the background to a 50% grey. I'll crop this to be a square, click Load Image. The image strength slider determines how much the generated image will look like my avatar. I can specify to generate a range of images from low strength to high strength. I'll choose to use 4 different strengths and a creativeness scale of 8 and 16. This will create 8 images per seed. I can leave this running overnight to generate images and just click cancel to stop it in the morning. I've stretched the window to show 8 images per line, so each line will be a new seed. I'll copy the seed from one of the images that I like. I'm enabling upscaling. This will download the upscaling model when the next image is generated. I'll generate a range of image strengths so I can animate the transition later. I've placed all of the images for the transition into a new folder. I can drag the folder of images into flow frames to make it a smooth video. More details are in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, then please leave a comment.